Ever tried to spot a hummingbird and then realized it was already gone? Meet the black-chinned hummingbird. Blink and you'll miss it. If you're in the southwestern US, Texas, Arizona, Utah, Nevada, this is the hummer you're most likely to see. The male looks plain at first, a black chin. But catch the light just right and flash, a razor-thin violet band pops like a secret neon sign. They weigh about 3 grams. That's a penny. The heart, up to 1-200 beats per minute in flight. Wings, roughly 50 beats per second, even faster in courtship dives. Imagine doing a sprint while hovering, while sipping sugar water through a split tongue that works like a microscopic pump. Look for them along rivers, canyons, cottonwoods, desert scrub, anywhere flowers and tiny insects are on the menu. Yes, insects, protein for those high-octane engines. They're not just nectar addicts, they're aerial hunters. Identification trick, females and juveniles, greenish above, pale below, subtle pale throat. The male, black chin with a violet edge, slightly longer, gently decurved bill. When he perches, he often wags his tail and turns his head. Little theatre to show that gorget flash. Listen close. Their calls are thin metallic chips, almost like 2 coins clinking. In breeding season, the male rockets up and dives in a J-shaped arc, making a sharp buzz, sound made by tail feathers, not the beak. Migration? Many head to coastal Mexico for winter. Some go farther south. They cross deserts and mountains like a morning commute. Spring, follow blooms north. Late summer, track blooms back south. Nests, thumb-sized cups stitched with spider silk, camouflaged with lichen. Elasticity lets the nest stretch as chicks grow. Eggs, 2, tiny pearls. Want them in your garden? Skip the red dye. Mix 1 part white sugar to 4 parts water. Boil, cool, fill a clean feeder. Change it every 2 to 3 days, daily in heat. Add native flowers, penstemon, salvia, desert willow. Place feeders near cover, but leave a clear flight path. A word on manners, they're territorial. If one bird keeps bullying others, scatter 2 or 3 feeders out of sight lines so everyone gets a turn.